Hi, this is Vamshi Dande. Welcome to Graphics Vidya. Today we would like to discuss about diploma in graphic design, and we are teaching Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign and CorelDRAW.
Yes, open the Photoshop. Yesterday we saw some tools like color samplers and rulers tools. Today we see some tools in this video: spot healing brush tool, how to use patch tool, and content aware mode tool and red eye tool. And come back to the clone stamp and pattern stamp tool also we have to see. Why means these two tools are the similar tools to work for image cloning. Image cloning. How the images should be cloned? What is cloning? Cloning is nothing but replicating. That is the main thing. Suppose we will see some images in internet, some damaged photos. Go to the Google and type damaged photos. We can see so many photographs. In olden days, means in olden days or old pics, what we have in your album or your mother's album photos, whatever maybe, you can see the old pics. We can restore it. This we call as a topic restoration, photo restoration. The concept name is photo restoration. We call as a cloning concept also. Okay, this is the complete we call as a restoration. Old photos to cleaning perfectly and giving the colors and giving the removing the damages, everything. This we call as restoration, damage photo restoration we call as here. Okay, let's save the photograph. I'm just saving the photograph. You can try with your own photographs also, friends. And I'm just open the new image. Oh, it's very small, and right click image, new tab. Yes, this is the save. We can save this photograph, and this is a damaged photos, and create a new folder, friends. Right click new folder. It's a damaged photos. Open the folder and save in that folder. Close the document. Just close the document, tab document. Now you can go with some more photographs. We have so many photographs. See, this is a before and after. Like this we will work. This is also very hard level to create this photo restoration also. This is also very hard level. Old damaged photos. Use like this the photographs. Like this the photographs. The main concept is photo restoration. Save it. This is also one type of photographs to before and after. We can take it and we can save it. Like this before and after. Already we have taken this photograph. Okay, then let's see. We will work on this photograph. Already what we have taken, it's enough for us. How can we clone it and how can we work on it? Then I'm just taking this one. I can drag and drop into the new tab like this. I can open like this also. Otherwise, how can I open the document? Go to the file, open, come to the desktop, and where is the damaged photos? Come to the damaged photos, and like this I can open the document. Which one should I have to work? Control minus and control plus. Like this I can zoom in and zoom out, and come to the crop tool. I can crop it only the this one, like this. I can crop it using with the crop tool. Like this we can use the crop tool. Okay, zoom the document and just crop on. Save the document. Now only the document will be there. The same thing here also. File, open the document, take this one. I need only this part, not after part. Take the crop tool and just take here and crop it the document. Now control S, save. Guys, someone is not kept mute. Mute the Santosh, mute పెట్టు.
sir. Sure.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, like this we can crop it. Okay, take here and take a crop tool, just crop it, and again crop it here. Just double click. You can crop the file like this using with a crop tool. Control minus zoom in, control plus zoom in, control minus zoom out, and zoom in. Again you can take a edge. Now crop it. You can directly file save. Why means automatically the file will be saved automatically. Here I can have a damaged file. I can drag and drop it like this. I can go to the file, open the document, control O to open the document also. We have a shortcut. We can open. Okay, now we can do the cloning. First of all, what we have here, spot healing brush tool. What is spot healing brush tool? Spot healing brush tool is nothing but to clean the damage area with a single color background. Suppose how the background is there, is it a single color or multicolor? It is a multicolor pixels only, it's not a single color. Okay, now go to the control O, open. Is it a single color or multicolor? It is also a multicolor shade, but it is completely black and white. That's why it called as a single color only. Okay, come to here, this damage photos, just close it, the other documents, close it. Now take a spot healing brush tool, heal it, just rub on the damage file. Is it healing? Okay, some part it is healing. When you come to the upon the part, is it healing? Is it healing, Ria?
No.
No, it's not healing. Completely, the part is completely damaging again. It will go. Why means it is a hairline scars. It is a hairline scars. We call as a scars. We call as a blots. We call as a damage. We completely we call as a hairline cracks. Everything we can say here. Like this, we can remove. But something the pixels is disturbing here. Why means it has a multicolor pixels using with a spot healing. Then when we use spot healing using with a single color like this. Now see here, just zoom it, control minus zoom out, control plus zoom in. Already I explained. Already I explained here, zoom in the document, zoom out the document here. Okay, come to the tab document, open the Photoshop here. Now take the spot healing brush tool, healing, just hitting the spot. Like this, a small damage things, a small scars, we can clear it. It's not a heavy scar, it is a little bit of scar, small scar only. That's why it's removing very clearly. We use only the spot healing brush tool for a single color background damage photos. And the single color background damage photos also, it will be like as a black and white photographs only. When you coming to the color, automatically the color photograph has a different shade of pixels. We can't take the type of means we can't calculate the pixels when using with a spot healing. It will be disturb the other pixels also. That's why spot healing brush tool is a work as a single color pixels only. The same pattern healing brush also will do. Suppose if you take here, click it, what happening, what it is asking, click it, come to the healing brush tool, click it, what it is asking, alt click to define a source point to be used to repair the image. Means what it is asking, suppose you have a scar here, suppose you have a scar here, okay, if you remove this scar, what it is saying, to define a source point, what is our source point, means the source point should be come to the destination point. Which one is clear? Suppose which area is very clean, this area is clean, this area is our source, and which one is the destination, I have to take this part of clean area and keep into the destination of the part area. That's why what it is asking, alt click to define a source point, means hold the alt key in the keyboard, click it the source area. Which is the source area? This is the new area, no, this is the clean area, clean part. Alt click it, alt click the source part. Now click on the damage area. Now it's removing,
Yes.
but it's not clear. It's removing, but it's not clearly. See, now come to here. See how I panning the document, how I pan the document. Space bar, holding the space bar, then we can see the hand symbol. Okay, then we can see the hand symbol, then I can pan the document like this. Already I told in the cutting tool of polygon, when I doing a polygon laser tool cutting the image, then I told this tool only. Hold the space bar in the keyboard section, then automatically you can see the hand tool to pan the document. Okay, now click on the alt. This is our clean area, this is our source area, and which one should be, we have to clear this destination should part should be clear. See, when you hold it, then what happened, hold the complete the key, hold the mouse pointer, what happened, we can see the beside of plus symbol, beside plus symbol, that is called our source. Our source is following with us. See, we are seeing the plus symbol, the plus symbol is the source point. We are clicking a small dot here, I am clicking here, this part, then what is our source area? What is our source area? This will be our source area, not this one. See here, when I clicking here, which one is our source area is coming? Our source area, where it is coming, the plus symbol, where is the our alt plus symbol? Down of the here, here we are seeing the plus symbol. See guys, you visible?
Yes.
Yes, but that is our source area. I am cleaning here, then which one will be the our source area? Here the source area will come, not here. See, that is coming in the down part, but the source area should come into the right side of the damage part, right side of the damage part. It is very important guys, for every part the source area should be changed. Suppose you are cleaning here, then automatically hold alt and click it and clean the source area. Again, your part, your area part should be changed here. Alt click here, and the source area should be very parallel to the damage area. That's why just make the very clear friends. Alt click and here. But when you cleaning this one also, it is not that much perfect. See, it's not clearly. Why? Why it's not clear? Why means this spot healing brush tool and healing brush tool are the basic tools. Basic tools is a freehand tools to use the cloning part. These two tools are the basic tools when it should be work on the single color part area. Suppose come to here, Alt click, again come Alt click. Is it going clearly? No. Why means it's going clearly? Why it's going clearly? It is a single color background. It is a single color background. It is a black and white background. The color pixels are completely single color only, and the shades of the colors, that are the shades of the gray colors only. That's why it's taking similar colors. That's why it's taking very clearly. These two tools are very basic tools. Okay. Now you understand?
Yes.
Then come to the patch tool. What is patch tool? But sir, what you have taken here, spot healing to brush tool and healing brush tool, the two tools are the basic tools. But how can we clean the area? How can we clean this part? How can we clean the damaged part? With using which tool? That is called cloning stamp tool, clone stamp tool. These two tools are the basic tools. Then this tool is a very advanced tool to clean the damage area very perfectly. Now I'm just closing the document. Again, I'm just open the document very clearly. Now zoom the area part, Control plus, zoom the area part. Take the, how can we increase the brush? Using with the left bracket, decreasing, right bracket, increasing. Already friends, already I explained here to increase and decrease the brushes, flower brackets. To decrease the brush size, left bracket, flower bracket, left flower bracket. To increase the brush size. Like this. This is the main thing. Okay, now come to the tab, Alt tab. I'll go for again our tab view. Come to here. Now decrease the brush size. I have to remove the scar in the face. See, this scar is very, this is a very heavy looking the damage. We have very big scar here, and this is the hairline scar. Okay, here also we have a big scar. Here also we have a big scar. Okay, then what should we do? Take a clone stamp, decrease the brush size, and the brush should be soft brush. The brush should be soft brush. Come to here, Alt click the source point. Same here, the same thing. Alt click the source point. Again, change the source point. It is coming very depth, means very heavily it's flowing on the face. That's why I'm just decreasing the opacity. The blurriness is coming very heavy. That's why I'm just decreasing the opacity. Now see. Then Alt click it and take a source point. Change the source point. Take one part only. After completing that part, then go to the next part. Increase some more flow area. We have to change the alt source point every time, every step and every time. I'm removing here means I have to keep the source point here and remove the area part. Again, I have to taking here alt click source point and removing here. Again, alt click source point here and removing the part. Again, alt click source point here, again keeping the destination part. Like that. Every time I have to change the source point area. Here it's clear. The same thing. Again, I have to take a source point here. Again, take a source point for this side. Click it here. It is almost closed. What we have to do? This we see in the last step. Okay. This we can see in the last step. And come to the clone stamp. What is the shortcut of clone stamp? It's S. S is our shortcut. Using this clone stamp tool, we can work very perfectly and very smooth and very, it's very perfectly. Okay. Then come to the patch tool. What is patch tool? Patch tool works very speed tool for a hairline cracks. This is a hairline, means it's a little light scary line. Select the damage area and keep the source area. The damage area will be the source and the clean place will be the destination area. See, is it going clear? Removing perfectly. Like this we can select. And it is a very speed tool to clean the hairline scars. Okay, sir, this is the hairline scar. It's going very clearly. Then what about the heavy scar? Suppose this is a heavy scar. If you keep like this, okay. Is it going? No. It's not come. Why means the disturbance will be flow on here. Heavy scars, the patch tool will not be work. This type of heavy scars we have to work with again clone stamp tool only. Okay, but mainly we need here the hairline scars. Like this. Is it clear? Yes, like this we have to take the scars. We can remove the scars very perfectly using with patch tool. And this is very easy tool and this is very perfect tool. Like this we have to remove the scars. Here again the scar will not be run. Again the patch tool should not be work. Here again we have to take the clone stamp tool. We have to work with both parallelly and decrease. This is the eye part, very delicate part. That's why decrease the opacity very clear and flow very clearly. Why means this is a very delicate part. Now that's why come to the decrease the size of the brush using with left brackets and come to the alt, click on the source point. Just click on it. increase some opacity and flow. Friends, my screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay. And come again, Alt click it. You have to work like this. This eye is okay. Then what about this eye? And now take the polygon laser tool. Select it. What is the duplicate shortcut, friends?
Control J.
Yes, exactly. Thank you. Control J for duplicate. Already I got a duplicate object. See here, you can unvisible the place. Take the duplicate layer and keep it the eye here. The eye is visible. The back side, the eye, we have to match this both and control some opacity down and keep it like this very clearly. And again, or otherwise right click, flip horizontal. Control T, transform, right click, flip horizontal. Just transform it. Just like this. Now keep the opacity completely. Now take a eraser tool and take the soft brush. Decrease the size of the using the left brackets to decrease the size and like this we have to match the thing and decrease the opacity. Why I taken this from here? Why I taken this eye from here? Why? Why means it's completely damaged. This eye is completely damaged. We can't recollect the damaged eye. That's why it is completely disturbed. That's why the same damage eye we have taken. Already this eye is left eye is very clear. That's why I just cut the image, the left eye. Again I just taken here and I just taken here and flip it. Right click, I just flip horizontal and taken the opacity to clean the eye level like this. But it's not matching. Is it clear?
No.
It's not matching. Why means? Why it's not matching? The color variation it's coming. Okay. Come to the image adjustments, brightness and contrast. Now is it matched?
Yes.
Like that we have to use the tools to work and to match perfectly. See here how the change it came. Control Alt Z, step backward. See how the change it came. Like this we have to match the layer. Now two eyes is visible.
Yes.
What we have done here, we cut the using with a polygon laser tool, we cut the image of this eye. Again, we taken this one to right side of the eye. Why means if I do the right side of the eye also, it's take more time. It's take more time. Again, the pixels is completely damaged. That's why what happened, I just taken the this eye and I just flipped, take a transform and right click. I just flipped horizontal. Again, I just transform like this, like a angle of the position, and I fixed into the right eye, and I just taken the eraser tool to rub the edges very clearly, like this, very clearly. And the lightness is not matching in the right eye. That's why I just taken the adjustments and brightness and contrast, and to decreasing the brightness and contrast, automatically it is matched into the right eye of the edge. Like this we have to match it perfectly. Say the main concept is to photo restore it using with spot healing best tool are the basic tools. We don't use these tools for the healing purpose. Then come to the patch tool. When it will be used, it is a hairline scars. It is a very hairline scars like this. It has, just select it, select the layer and keep the perfectly, and it is a very speed tool to clean the pixels very clear. Okay, but when I am going to the heavy scars, it is a very strong scars heavily, then go to the clone stamp tool, decreasing the opacity and flow. Why means it will flow very slightly. That's why take the alt, click it, like this we can clear the thing. The same part right side also, the nose, one nostril is completely damaged. What we have to do, we have to cut this one, and we have to transform it to this one, as well as the eye, what we have done to the eye. You understand, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, just do that one. And as well as clone stamp is completed, and spot healing brush is okay. Healing brush is a basic tools. Patch tool also, it's very easy tool. Just select the patch damage area and keep it into the, it's not coming. Why, Ria? Some challenge will flow here. It's not coming.
Layer because background layer not selected.
Yes, the image, it is in a background layer, not in a layer 1 layer. Okay, select the background layer. Yes, sometimes the students will confuse. That's why this question will taken. Okay, like this, the patch tool will be work like that. Okay, then what is content aware move tool? What is content aware move tool? Content aware move tool is nothing but we can take the content. This is the content. I'm just moving from one place to another place. Double click. When you taking the content from one place to another place, the content, the main area, the starting point of the area will be not visible, and this area will be visible part. Okay, content aware move tool is nothing but just we are moving from one place to another place. That part will be automatically, the background pixels will take automatically, it will close, and here the content aware tool will be flow on the what the part you have kept. See once again, content aware move tool. I'm just taking this part. What happened? This part will be take automatically the background pixels. It will be closed automatically. But this part is a content aware move tool part. This part is moving from one place to another place. Double click. The area of the part you selected, it will be visible on the pasted part. Means what you place the part, there it will be placed, and the selected part will be the complete, the pixels will be, the background pixels will be closed automatically. This is called content aware move tool. Means sometimes sometimes it will help. Why means I need to change this place from one place to another place, like this. Like this we can use the content aware move tool from sometimes. Then what is red eye tool? What is red eye tool? Suppose same thing, go to the Google, red eye images. I'm just the red eye tool, select the image. It's loading, it's buffering. Okay, right click, open image in new tab, click it, save as red eye tool, save. This one also take it, right click, open image in a new tab, right click, save as. It is in a damaged photos only, I'm just saving. Save it. Some students also they can't take Google directly. That's why I'm showing that Google, how you go to the Google and how you save the photos also. Like this, the red eye tool will be there. Select it. The same image. Okay, fine. The two images, it's better for us. Go to the file, open. Where I saved, it is in a damaged photos. Where is the root folder? It is in a desktop root folder. Keep it the desktop and go to the damaged photos and open the photograph. Okay, sir, how red eye will come? Direct in the photograph means why it's come in the photos. Why means when you take the night photographs, means when you take a camera in the night time in a night mode, then automatically the light reflection will flow on the eye, then automatically the eye will be reddish. Okay, means not only in out places, in home also, when you're taking with a camera with a photograph, the light reflection with a flash automatically it flow into the eyelid eyelid, and the reflection will flow as a red eye, like this. Okay, then come to the red eye tool, take a red eye tool. This is a red eye. We have a people size and darken amount. What is people size? People size is nothing but okay, people size is nothing but the origin of the point, means the origin of the area. This is the area. People size is nothing but area. Okay, the darken amount, how much amount you need? I need a 75% of blackish, means black. Okay, the darken amount is nothing but black only, and people size is nothing but the area of the origin. Click it and just click it. It came the black. I need only the gray, not completely black. Then decrease the darken amount, and you have to increase some people size also. See, this is a gray mode and this is a black mode. You can take one more photograph, control open, zoom it, and take a red eye tool. You can take the people size, means area of the origin, and darken amount will be decreased. This is a gray. It came as a gray. I need 70%. Click it. Which one is good? Based on the requirement, we have to work. This one is very heavy flow. Decrease the darken amount. Now click it. Yeah, it's fine. The requirement, based on the requirement, just click it, man. Just only click it. Just click it on the red eye. Then automatically it will work. Okay. Like this, we can reduce, means we can remove the eye reddishness on the image document. Okay. Anything doubts, friends? Ria, is there any doubts?
No.
No. Okay. Then come to the, already we saw clone stamp tool, how we work. Then come to the pattern stamp tool. What is pattern stamp tool? What is pattern stamp tool? Suppose already we have this image. I just take and open the image document, Control O, open, take the desktop and images and go to the any image like wallpapers, and I'm just taking one image document and take the polygon laser tool. I'm just cutting the image, friends. I'm just cutting the image roughly. It's a rough cutting only, not perfect cutting. It's take time to do the perfect cutting. Already we saw perfect cutting in polygon laser tool. You have to practice. Okay. Then come to here and zoom it. What happened here? Automatically double click has been happened here. Means the mouse pointer has been double clicked. I double clicked double time. That's why it's automatic. The selection has been done. That's why I just taking the adding. Here we have a add option. Taken the add option, and where I just stopped again, I'm just starting from there only. Control minus zoom out. Come to here. Click, double click on the area. What is the background color here? Mute పెట్టండి, ఎవరు మ్యూట్ పెట్టలేదు. Keep the mute. Okay. What is the background? Is it a color or is it a background?
Background.
It's a background. What is the background? It is a green leaves are there. Okay. But that is one type of background. But when I'm taking a new document, okay, the document is it's 8 inches by 6 inches and the resolution is 72. Okay. I just click it. Okay. Then take a move tool. Just take a move tool, move from one background to another background. Move from one background to here. Here we have the document area. Okay. And here we have the document area. These are the two areas of the things. Okay. They are the two documents. The students will confuse. Some students will confuse. Sir, where you dragging from one place to another place? Like that, the questions will flow. Like that's why I just taken here the tab will be there. I just drag it in the down part of the area. Then automatically the tab will become like this, and you can adjust the tab like this, and you can tab like this. Okay. Now select it and take a move tool. Just move into one background to another background. Okay. Now it's came. What happened here? My background is very small, better than the image document. The image document is the image is very high on the based on the image my document. Sorry. Just keep it here again. And same thing, keep it into here the tab document. Automatically it will come. See, the image is very bigger than the document area. What we have to do? We have to transform it. Control T for transform controls. Hold Shift plus Alt. Hold Shift plus Alt and transform the image document. Like this. Okay. And what is the color we have in background?
White.
White. Now take any color and fill the color of the background area. Okay, okay, nice. Here what happened here? I'm just closing the documents. Too many documents are there. Okay, and this one is also, this one is a already original document where the background it is in leaves. Here we have taken the, we cut the image and we place into another document, and we filled a small color, it's a red, okay, a solid color. Then come to the new document, again I'm just taking 8 by 6. Okay, now take a move tool from one background to another background. See friends, I'm just, some people will say, sir, I'm dragged, but it's not coming, sir. I just drag into this background, but it's not coming. See, like this, the people will flow. What happened here? When you drag into, just hold only, not release the mouse pointer. Okay, don't release the mouse pointer. Just hold it and come to the background area, the main workspace of the background. Just leave it here, then it will come. Okay. Here we have a solid color. Here we have a original background. Here we have a solid color. Okay, and again it is a white background. Come to the clone stamp tool. We have a pattern stamp tool. Click it here and make it the patterns. When you're taking the pattern stamp tool, this is the properties bar of the patterns. Then click it here and see some patterns and take the pattern, increase the brush size of the pattern. And which layer should be flow? This background layer. We have to select the background layer and we have to draw like this, then automatically the background will come. Sir, I don't want this pattern, and change into the pattern. This is a solid color and this is a different type of patterns. Patterns is nothing but textures. If you go for some houses, you can see, sir, we can go for my wall texture will be changed, and in kitchen room I have to keep some vegetables texture. Like that the people will think like that. We have a predefined textures here. If you need a more textures, click it here and you can see the more textures. I need a rock patterns. Okay, you can draw like this, and you can go with a grayscale and texture fillers and patterns like this, like this the patterns, and we can use the patterns with pattern stamp tool. Okay, we have to create this type of patterns, and these are the predefined patterns, and we can create our own patterns also. In the next sessions we can see. Okay, and this is the sessions guys, and what we have done, what we have seen today: spot healing brush tool, patch tool, content aware move tool, and red eye tool. These are the tools what we have seen, and here the main important tool is patch tool and red eye tool. And content aware move tool, healing brush tool, and spot tools, these are the basic tools. You can practice as for one time, it's enough for that, but mainly you have to practice thoroughly with patch tool and red eye tool. And meanwhile you have to practice the tool. Clone stamp tool is very important tool to cloning the, to replicating the, to clean the damaged photos very easily. Okay, and pattern stamp tool is nothing but to creating the backgrounds and to creating a different type of textures in the background. Already we saw some patterns, predefined patterns. You can check it here. Okay, these are the steps. Just practice this guys, and tomorrow we see some more sessions.
This is Vamshi Dande as a senior graphic and UI UX designer. And if you would like to learn graphic designing course, please contact 9030 913 and 914, or please visit our institution in Amirpet, friends. Okay.